Yangon channel. This is Sweety. Now I'm arrived Puhanjor Road in the Pansoran area, and then I will walk around and find some street food near here. And then this walk is I will tell you something because this walk is so famous among excellent people. People is really loving the jogging or walking exercise in the morning and like the evening time. Yes, because the platform is so big among the other road of the downtown, something like that. And then the view is so nice. Yeah, beside is the Secretariat. Yes, it's also famous and really nice building. So let's go and follow with me. Let's go, guys. Tea house. Yes, Yangon is one of the famous tea house in Yangon. Yes, and it is located in the corner of the Downtown Road and the Downtown Road. Yes, and today I sit in front of the table. Yeah, because like the evening time, I really like to see the view of the old buildings and the evening views with the people. Yes, so I sit here and you can see also the evening view. Now I order peanut rice with egg. Yes, the main ingredient is peanut, and they mix well with the rice and egg. Yes, in Myanmar we mainly eat rice with other items or with a salad or something, many curries. Yes, so you can see in the lunch or evening dinner, you can eat like peanuts or egg or something curry with the rice. Yes, and then you can also get this kind of tea house or the other curry shop. Yes. And then they give me spice flavor. This is spicy taste. Yes, chili. And the next one is this is also like a salad, cabbage, onion. Yes. it's sour taste. But this is so nutty, yes, because mainly include it's peanut. That's why peanut flavor is more. I can get the taste. This kind of dishes with egg and this kind of rice is more, I think, more match and perfect with the economic people. Yes, it's pretty enough for one person, just like a lunch or dinner. And the cost is only 900 Burmese. So every people can eat this kind of dishes. Yes. So which is around 40 cents or 50 cents. This kind of pan fruit. Yes, it's look like a jam, right? And then it include no seed. They remove the seed so you can eat easily. Yes. Oh, I think sour and spicy taste here. It's like a dessert. So sweet and a little sour and a little spicy. And the taste is so nice with the pan fruit smell and then the spicy smell. It includes no seed. Yeah, they remove the seed. That's why the children and the older person can eat this kind of dessert. It's so nice. And then this kind of bottle is 1,000 yamache, so which is around 50 cents only. And you can eat 2 days and then you drink just like 3 days. Yes. So guys, let me stop my video here. Today I walk around the corner of the Guangzhou Road and the Pennsylvania area, and you can see in this video this road haven't any street food store in this day because today it's weekend. That's why this area is many have like an office and general workers. Today it's weekend, so they didn't work. Yeah, anyone. So the street food store also closed, I think. So I hope you will also like this video. So please don't forget to like this one and also this one too, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.